So we started the zipper down here behind the Velcro, and putting the Velcro back here, and zipped it all the way along to the other side where we put the Velcro on it also. And as you can see, it's fitting pretty snug. We've got our tailgate ready to close, and our window on, all good. And in fact, at this point, it looks to me like we got the whole top on. As you can see, it's fitting pretty tight. We did latch, during one of the previous steps. We latched under here to pull it tight. I'm really suggesting you do this on a hot day because it's still cool here, and it took a lot to pull it together. So that's it for the installation of the Pavement Ends best top on our Turtle Patrol car here in Daytona Beach. We'll be ready to head out to the beach soon and take the top down. See how easy that is.